In this video, I will show you how to add family members on Facebook. First, go to www.facebook.com in your preferred browser. Log in your account if you aren't already logged into Facebook. Go to your own profile page by clicking on the profile link in the top left corner of your screen. Click on the About button in the menu bar. Click on the Family and Relationships, that's left side of your screen in About. Add a spouse, partner or significant other. Check the relationship status at the top of your screen. Click on Add another family member to add family members other than a spouse, partner or significant other. Select the family member's name. Type the first few letters of each person's name until the full name appears. Then select the name by clicking on it. Click the blue Save button at the bottom of your screen. Repeat this process for each family member you wish to add. Click the blue Save button at the bottom of your screen. Wait for the family members you have added to confirm your request.